This app can pay you every week just for going live. No degrees, no products, no followers needed. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money on Tango Live. Many people are already making money on Tango Live, but most beginners don't actually know how it actually works. So let me break it down for you in simple English. So the first step you need to take in order to start making money on your Tango Live app is to go to your Play Store or App Store. Let's say you don't have the app on your device. You can go to your Play Store, App Store and search for Tango like this. When you search for Tango, you're going to see the app right here. So you just need to go ahead and click on it, install it on your device, then open it. When you open it, they're going to ask you to create an account. You can create an account using your Gmail. So you just need to download it, create your account with your Gmail, and you're good to go. Add your real name, your real photo. It's very important. So right now, you are now on the app. The next step you need to take in order to start making money using the Tango app is to start going live. In order for you to actually get money on Tango Live, you need to go live. Then viewers are going to send gifts. Now these gifts can be converted into diamonds, and these diamonds can be converted into real cash. So that is how the earning process on Tango Live actually works. So in order for you to make money on Tango, you need to go live. It is actually a must. You must go live. You can be talking, you can be singing, you can be dancing, or you can just be chatting with random people on your live stream. You don't actually need to be perfect. You just need to be active and friendly on your live stream, and you'd be able to get some more gifts which can be converted into diamonds, and these diamonds can be converted into real money. So in order for you to earn more on Tango Live, you need to go live every day. You need to go live every day on Tango. You can ask your viewers to tap on the screen, and while you are on your live stream, you can be calling them by their name on your live stream and talking to them. It's actually going to make it more interactive and them feeling comfortable in your live stream to send you gifts. And also you can earn more on Tango as well by joining live battles. You're going to see live battles, so you can join more live battles, or you can create your own live battles and play live battles. Then you'd be able to increase your earnings as well on Tango Live. You can earn on Tango Live as well by joining an agency. This one is very, very important. So let's say you click on your profile at the top left corner like this, and go ahead and click on accounts. Right here, if you scroll down, you're going to see where it says join an agency. So looking here, you can see enter code. So you just need to enter the code of the agency you want to join and join their agency. It is actually going to help you to give you support, even training, and also sometimes bonuses on your account. It is going to help you to grow faster. So in order for you to withdraw your money on Tango Live, let's say you've earned a lot of money already. In order for you to withdraw it, you need to click on your profile at the top left corner like this, then scroll and click on get money. So when you click on get money like this, looking here, you can see that I've added a payment method. I've actually made a video on how to add payment method. I'm going to add that video to this video's description, so you can go ahead and watch that video. So looking right here, after adding a payment method, in order for you to withdraw the money, you need to reach the withdrawal threshold. So for the first withdrawal as a new beginner, you need to reach $15 in order for you to withdraw your money on Tango Live. Now your next withdrawal, you need to reach at least $25 in order for you to be able to withdraw your money. After that, you can now start withdrawing daily about $2,000 on Tango Live, depending on how much you are making on Tango Live. So that is how the withdrawal threshold actually is on Tango Live. So this is what you don't need to do on Tango Live. You don't need to fake your name or any account on Tango Live. Don't break Tango Live rules, and don't just stop going live for some days and thinking that when you come back, you just continue and start making money. You need to stay consistent in the game. And lastly, don't beg for gifts on Tango Live. Just do your thing. Gifts are going to eventually come. So you should also note that Tango Live is not magic. It is only for the serious and consistent ones. It is going to eventually pay you if you stay consistent and serious enough. This is what you need to know. I've made a video about other live streaming apps as well. those live streaming apps like Bingo Live, Popo Live. If that's really your thing, then you need to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to get updated whenever I upload any updates concerning any of these apps. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. If you want more Tango Live tutorials, just comment Tango at the comment section and I'm going to make more Tango Live tutorials for you. See you in the next one.